Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum. As you guys can see, this is my sea wave painting, and all the materials are in the description down below, so make sure you check out. So actually this is my used canvas, and I'm going to start with my right side top with some carbon black and titanium white, and I'm going to make a cloud, and towards the left side I'm going to do the Prussian blue and some carbon black to give that cloud effect. So now we are going to cover the sea part, which is the color we are going to use is cobalt blue and Prussian blue mixed together. We're going to fill out the cloud part in the center with white color so that it gives a stormy effect. So now we are going to do the small waves part with my palette knife. It is not necessary that you need a palette knife to do it. You can use a normal flat brush to do it. Now I am covering white lines for the big waves. So now I'm going to use some peacock blue to give a lighter effect for the waves. So yeah, and I'm going to give more outlines for the big waves. So now we're going to use some Prussian blue for a bumpy wave. So now we're going to use some titanium white for the outline for the Prussian blue to give some wave effect. We are going to give some titanium white, and we are going to do a foam effect for the right side of the canvas. And now I'm going to use some emerald green for a water greeny cool color. this is it for the video. If you like this video, make sure you like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.